What is up, everybody? Welcome to the channel and welcome to this week's video. Colorado Trail. We're going to use this weekend to hit the trail, segment 1 and 2. We'll see how that goes, just as a pack shakedown, body shakedown, and yeah, just a test run in general. So stay tuned and let's see what we check out. Cool! We made it to Strontia Springs Dam. Oh, so we'll stop here, take a load off, and maybe grab a bite to eat, get some calories in me for the next, I guess probably 10 miles. Might have more like 12, somewhere in there. And then at the end of about 10 or 12 miles, that'll be the end of segment 1 for the Colorado Trail, and we'll set up camp there. But we got a lot of hiking left, so let's get some calories packed. Can you spot the sheepies? All right, now we have a bit of a change of scenery. We are definitely in the woods, single track trail. This is what's to be expected, that's for sure. Oh my gosh, losing my trekking pole. So yeah, that's it. We've got like, I don't know, 9-ish miles to go, somewhere in that range. And I think it's gonna be pretty easy going. We do have a campsite in about 5 miles if something happens like physically to where I don't feel like I can push on or whatever. But aside from that, we'll probably just stick with the same idea, the original idea. Just past 9 miles now. Beautiful view going across that freaking opening. I'd say super easy going. My shoulders are definitely a little tired, but body wise, I would say I'm doing really good. So yeah, mile 9. I guess I've got 7-ish miles to go, maybe 8 miles. Yeah, that's not bad. Maybe, I don't know, 3-4 hours probably with the elevation and all that. And I'm definitely going to stop here in a little bit, take a quick little personal break, and yeah, just no complaints, 0 complaints. This is perfect. Just gonna hang out by the water. I'll probably sit on the corrugated metal for a little bit and absorb some of the coolness from the metal. And aside from that, yeah, I think this is just a perfect spot just to hang out, enjoy a few minutes, maybe check out the map itself, recalculate how many miles I have left, and calculate how much daylight we have, because it's 5 o'clock now. So 3.5 hours of daylight, or not even 3 hours of daylight probably. Whew. All right, we'll continue on from Bear Creek, and I guess that's at like 6,200 feet of elevation. The next trek is up to 7,500 feet of elevation, to the high point of the segment. Not much of a river crossing. The grade that you walk up, pretty legit. I've been going nice, smooth, slow pace because it's, whew, yeah, it'll get your muscles going. But beautiful views down the cliff line. It's really not that hot out right now. Breeze and shade. No complaints as far as that goes. So just hiking along. Nothing's changed, I guess. Well, there's a good sign. I'm still on it. You probably can't see it, but straight through the tree line, you get a good glimpse of the city. Ooh. So we're at about 7,500 feet of elevation. This is the high point on trail. If you're interested, you actually do get cell signal right there. I had 2 bars of 5G, and sent out a couple of quick texts to let my ride know that I am safe and on time. And yeah, we'll continue on the way from there. 4.4 miles is what it says. I think since it's all downhill, I think I can go 15, 17-minute miles the whole way, so. Well, if that ain't a damn view, I don't know what the hell one is. All right, well, here's camp. Mostly set up, nothing inside yet. Not that y'all can really see, but whatever. We made it. So we'll probably just hang out. I'm gonna start cooking some food here in like 2 freaking seconds because I am literally starving. And yeah, we're just gonna get a good night's sleep. That's pretty much all I'm doing. Let them puppies air out. Ooh. I just decided you guys do not get to watch me boil water and eat my food. Sorry. I'm gonna do that and then I'm gonna go to sleep. I'll catch you guys for the sunrise. We'll see you in a little bit. Just been listening to the birds for a while. It's a little chilly this morning. I really do not want to get out of the sleeping bag. Uneventful. Just a decent night's sleep. Woke up a couple times, but for no good reason. Yeah. I guess we're gonna start moving. Try to warm up a little bit. I don't know. Like I said, I'm cold. My legs are cold. Whew. So this is camp for the night.
South Platte River right down there, maybe quarter mile or something like that, which is the actual end of segment 1, the start of segment 2. We got to climb that to start with. It's like, I don't know, 2,000 feet of vertical or something stupid like that. You know, I think that's only in like the first 3 or 4 miles. I have to look at the book more closely if I felt like it, which I'm not going to. But yeah, I'll try to keep that short. I need to start packing up camp, and I need to start walking because I'm being picked up between 11 and 1, and yeah, I need to be sure I'm within that time window. I don't want to freak anybody out. This is just a pile of all my bull crap laying around here. Camp's all cleaned up. So we'll pack the pack itself. After we pack the pack, we'll do a once over for trash or anything that I might have missed, any small items or something like that. And then, yeah, I guess we'll hit the trail. So, just hiking along. That's gonna be the view for, I guess, 10 miles. Found me just a really nice spot to hang out and take a break. I'll show you all a couple of some of my favorite plants out here. So a little pincushion cactus. Got 2 of them here. They get really cool blooms on them. Oh, look at those weird things. Some sort of a succulent, I'm gonna assume. I mean, the thing is lush. Like it's you know, dense. So that's pretty cool too. And then wander over here a little ways to some of my favorite flowers out here. Colorado pasque flower, or the Perry pasque flower, Pasque. And just, I really like them when they're like that. Oh geez. I'm around the corner. One of the longest views yet, probably. You can see pretty far. There's a house down there. Oh man. Pretty cool. So we're almost at the top of the ridge now. Oh man. It's just been uphill non-stop for 5 freaking miles. It's rough. All right, we're getting there now. Starting to pass some people. Tons of bikers in the area. So, you know, the trailhead's right up here. I think I don't know. I think I'm around 8 miles at this point. So, only a few miles left. And clouds are starting to form. I don't know if it's actually cooling things down, but it's starting to feel good out here.
That's for sure. Just got to go right up there to that tree line. And then I think it's like freaking mile and a half or some crap like that. So should be pretty good, but I'm gonna take a few minutes, chill, eat some food, and then keep moving. It's already been a long day. Alrighty guys, the end of segment 2, but not just that, the end of the video. If you got any questions about the gear that I'm using, I've got that in another video. I'll put that right there. And with that said, be sure to hit that like button, subscribe if you're not already. Y'all have a good week, have a good weekend. We'll see you next Tuesday with some other adventure.
That's it?
For that one.